Alright, what's up everybody on YouTube? Just got some new stuff from Diesel Power Source. Making a little video to show off some of their products, give a little bit of a review. Alright, I got one of their D-Tech 64mm turbos. Also with one of their Diesel Power Source 3-piece manifolds. The truck also has 100 horsepower injectors from Cummins Performance Parts and head studs from Hazley Performance Parts, which I will give a link to in the description. Truck has a CFM Plus intake manifold, a HX40 downpipe, and a 5-inch exhaust straight piped all the way back. I'm going to do a little video of me driving around just so everybody can get a feel for what it sounds like. Little drive-bys, try to do the best I can with this little camera. I'll start it up for you so you guys can hear what it sounds like.